Jeannie's birthday party.
Hey, Junior.
How's the hot dog? How's your hot dog? How was your hot dog, Grandpa?
They're gone.
Didn't even stand a chance.
One piece? Why you only got one piece? I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. I'll take 2 pieces.
Like this one or?
I don't know.
Because my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on. And they ain't waiting till 6 in the morning. So what you doing? Shit, I got a pocket full of records in my home.
Just get it.
You got shoes on.
Don't get it, big. Say happy birthday, Junior.
Touchdown.
Say the
Birthday party. Wrap it on the microphone. Wrap it.
You too, Julie. Say something. Say something. Talk. Get it away from your mouth.
We're battling against each other right now.
Oh, mic drop.
Say hello. Judy, say hello.
What do you think of the music?
It's awful. I might go in the house. Get up on the dance hall. Get that bad buddy asking low. Cause I feel like buzzing loose and I like you. Ain't nobody stop you. Tell me what you do. I said it's getting hot in here. All my so hot. I wanna take my love. It's hot in here.
The blue.
Ooh, now you can make tray.
Yeah, Juno's some.
He was like, what is this?
He got the Nike socks. Not the Nike.
Look. You got shorts?
What?
Let's put them down. You done snuck it back up. Look at it.
You like it, Judy? What you got?
Cookie there.
Let me see. You got cookies? Ooh, the sock. All the kids keep eating them.
Where did they care?
Look at that drip.
You want to? Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
All right.
Aunt Tiffany said that's just for mommy.
Thanks, Aunt Tiffany.
You know what, the soccer games and stuff.
Oh, look, Junie.
Blue.
And it's an airplane. Bingo! You like that?
Yeah.
Oh. Junie, look. You want one? Say thank you, Uncle Brandon. Say thank you, Uncle Brandon. Look at him. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
That's right. Junie, that's my chocolate. Say not today. Bite it. He trying to shove the whole thing in his. Bite it. Look at him. He got the whole stick in his mouth. What do you want me to do? Thank you, everybody. He got the whole Kit Kat like this.
I've been going on a lot of bike rides. Well, not a lot compared to some people, but just riding, clearing my mind out. This is my Captain Crunch peeled his muffin cap back run. What is it, 12 miles? Takes me an hour to do. I usually listen to an audiobook or music, either or. But when I'm out there, I feel like I'm pushing myself. It's like a good, like, and regardless, you gotta make it back home. This hill right here is where I popped my tire and had to walk back home the one time, so I was very skeptical about taking that hill ever again, but this is me conquering my fears. Not a real fear, I'm not afraid of it, but it was a 4-mile walk back, but it taught me a lesson. I got a pump, I got slime in my tires now, just in case anything like that ever happens again. But feels good to move and still be active as I'm getting older. Because when I was younger, wrestling and baseball, and I felt like I was constantly moving. Skateboarding, I can't skate like I used to because I feel like my legs are going to pop off like a Barbie doll legs or something like that, but like right at the hip. But I've been going on a lot of bike rides and it feels good, and I'm going to keep doing it. Okay. Yeah. See that garden bed over there? I made that. Short little video. My nephew's birthday party. Good time. He's growing. He's got the coolest, adventurous personality. Very smart. Glad to have him. Man, he's a blast. He's funny. Good time. It was a good birthday party. Had fun. Good food. Family. It was fun. What I got from it though, don't show off. That's the big thing. I'm like, because yeah, you just don't want to show off or try to show off, because bad things happen. And I went on a bike ride. I went on a lot of bike rides. I've been mentally riding. Like it really is it's like that breathe out. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels good. It feels like I'm not just stagnant, I'm moving and I'm grooving. And if you're not moving and grooving, you're losing. But yeah, hopefully I can get out and ride a lot more. Because soon it's going to be summer and school is going to be out. If you don't know, I still drive bus. I just don't do like sports runs or anything like that. So I just pick the kids up from school and take them home. Yeah. So that's why you probably don't see any bus videos from me anymore, because I don't have that time where there is no kids on the bus or anything like that. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. Other than that, over and out.